Hey, it's Prison Jim here. Welcome to my cell. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy chicken sandwich. Popeyes, eat your heart out. You need to get yourself a spicy meat stick. We're going to chop that up. Chop that up. Push that in a bowl. I got some of these chicken packets from the commissary. You just have to squeeze that in there. I've got some Cheez-its left over in my bag. I'm gonna add some Cheetos. And it's time to smash them. Add that to your chicken. Let's get it all mixed together. Add some butter and mix it some more. I'm forming that into a couple patties. Then you microwave it for 2 minutes. I've topped with some cheese and some pickle slices. That's one nice looking sandwich. What? That's great! It's better than any spicy chicken sandwich I've had. See you next time.